Many people assume that scientists must be right about evolution because we can see the effects of science everywhere. It works. After all, didn't science put man on the moon and bring us electricity and antibiotics? Well, it's important to understand the limitations of science. The science that brings us things like modern medicine is all about discovering things that can be observed, tested, and repeated in the present. For example, a chemical reaction can be tried and repeated time and time again. But the science used to uncover the past is very different, because the past cannot be repeated. Scientists use clues that exist in the present to try to guess about the past. The way each scientist interprets the evidence will be different, depending on his or her preconceived ideas and assumptions about the past. If someone says a dinosaur turned into a bird 150 million years ago, remember that this is only someone's interpretation of the evidence. Does our DNA show that we came from apes? Some evolutionists say that our DNA is about 98% similar to that of apes, and that this difference is only a few spelling mistakes. Others say a more accurate figure is no more than 95%. But considering that humans have 3 billion letters worth of DNA information in each cell, even a 2% difference is actually 60 million spelling errors. Of course, this is not error, but 500-page books worth of new information. A common designer is a much better explanation for the similarities in human and ape DNA. As an architect uses the same building materials for different buildings, we shouldn't be surprised if God used similar design features in many different creatures. After all, we do share about 50% of our DNA with bananas, but that doesn't mean we're half banana.